All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So just. Rightly so. It is just here. Nowhere else. Just here. You need to go just there. We will wait just here. Here. Not there. Not there. Here. Just here. Nowhere else. I can enter just here. There's a doorway. We can enter just here. Yes. Very good. It is just here. I'll be waiting just here. I put it just here. I put the hat just here. Nowhere else. Just here. Yeah. How cool is that? We always eat just there. Just there. Nowhere else. Just there. Yeah. We were just there yesterday. I was just up the mountain a few months ago. Just up the mountain a few months ago. Yeah. He kissed her just there on the shoulder. How cool is that? I am just here looking for it. Just here looking for it. Yeah. How cool is that? Were they just there? Were they just there? Maybe. Maybe. We think that they were just here last night. They were just here last night. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Just. So rightly so. I put the book just here. I wrote it just now. I wrote it just now. We read it just now. Just now. Not now. Just now. Rightly so, now. Yeah. Not 10 minutes ago, but just now. Not a little bit, not a lot, just right now. So, can you use just in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.